A mini dental implant is an implant which is less invasive because all you have to do is a little punch into the gingiva and the bone, and you can place that implant with minimal pain, and once it's placed, it's stable and you can restore it. Whereas a standard implant is larger, it also requires mobility of the tissue that it's going into, and it takes a longer time for healing. Normally, when we place a standard implant, it stays in the mouth for 4 to 6 months, and then the patient comes back and we can restore it. Whereas with the mini implant, you can restore it the same day. The cost of mini implants is significantly less than the cost of standard implants because you have to also pay for the additional parts of the standard implants. There are 3 components to a standard implant when you only deal with one part to a mini implant.